Our next award is for innovation in predictive maintenance and monitoring solutions.
And this prestigious award goes to IBM India Limited.
IBM is a leading technology provider, and IBM Maximo is a market leader in the area of asset management across industries, with customers using this solution for over 3 decades. With its latest release of Maximo Application Suite, IBM brings a single integrated cloud-based platform that uses AI, IoT, and analytics to optimize asset performance, extend asset lifecycle, and reduce operational downtime and cost of enterprise assets.
Namaskar, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Goyal and the analysis team, because that's a fantastic platform what I would like to share, that where we both OEMs, partners, customers are coming together and sharing their industry experiences. As far as IBM is concerned, I think it's a very well known. IBM is one of the leading IT technology provider and in forefront of the innovations. We are 111 years old, young minds right now. We have a patent which is approximately 72,000 plus right now with us. So we are leading in the innovation side. As far as the award is concerned, I'm again like to thank Rail Analysis and the jury members who selected us one more year, another year. It's a continuous year for this as well, for the same award. And so thank you so much, and thank you for all business partners and customers for showing their trust on IBM Maximo as an asset management solution. Thank you so much.